You can use an if function to display something based on what is in another cell. This means if what is in cell B5 is yes, then display me2. The comma means otherwise. Display. That's a shame. Don't forget the closing bracket. Let's test it. As it says yes, it is displaying me2, but if B5 changes to no, then it changes to that's a shame. In fact, anything other than yes will mean it displays that's a shame. This is because, if you read the formula, it means if something is true. Yes makes the if statement true. It could be any character in between the speech marks, as it is what is called a string. If you've ever programmed in Python, then it's the same. You can get the spreadsheet to use maths in an if statement too. So if it is true that F5 is greater than H5, then display John's was higher. Otherwise display Jane's was higher. Watch it being typed. So pressing enter or the tick to test it, let's see what happens. As Jane has a larger test score than John, it is displaying Jane's was higher. However, if the number is changed, the formula will react and the spreadsheet will change automatically. That's an advantage of using a spreadsheet for maths.